Hi, I'm Linda Heron,
And I'm Norm Heron.
and welcome to our garden. We're here in the Congdon neighborhood. We've lived here for about 38 years, but our gardens have not been here quite that long. We started them around 10 years ago. We had small gardens, little patches. Every year I felt like I needed more and more. I wanted to try different varieties of flowers. And so I thought, well, we'll just make the garden a little bit bigger. And finally we reached the point where we thought, let's just take up all the grass and do all flowers. It's all perennials. And I like to move my flowers around. If they don't do well in a certain spot, they need more sun, they need less sun. It's wonderful to do that.
The grass became a dull feature for me. So it took the first year we did the half. I dug that up, and the next year the other half.
Oh, my liatris, I love these. These are actually Minnesota natives, prairie star, they call them. I also love the yellow, tall spires of Ligularia. I love yellow flowers. They're just so bright and cheery, and you look at them and they make you feel good just looking at them.
And this is one of my favorites.
Oh, your
the
favorite.
spider plant.
Spider plant. It has those tendrils that come out, and I guess that's what reminds people of a spider.
The bees like it.
I do have a ton of bees. I mean, in fact, if you just sit here or stand here, you can actually hear a hum.